Okay, there is the Hampton Bay 11-foot solar umbrella. It has held up pretty well. I don't know if the solar works anymore, but after a few years, I turned the crank and this fell out. So we'll see if we can hack it to work somehow. Okay, so this part is all jammed up. I think if I just cut the string, restring it, and somehow find a way to hold it down there, we will be good for a few more years. So here we go. Let's see if I can get this paracord. Okay, so what I did is I cut that string that went from right there to down there. I got some paracord string and I'm gonna string it back up and go down to the crank and see if I can tie it in so it's good for at least a few more years. After a few minutes with some help, I finally got that done. So now I'm just gonna tie a quick knot loose. And get the rest of this string through. And then we gotta do the other side. Now make sure you're getting that paracord over the pulley there. I had to unscrew the solar panel to do this. I had that fished through the wrong way, so I needed to redo it and get it over the pulley. What I did was unscrew the solar panel. Not even sure if that still works. And just make sure that goes over the pulley. Put your finger down there. You should be able to go. Alright, at long last, we got it restrung all the way through the original hole, and I've knocked that out. Let's get the shade. And here you can see how it goes through, and it's got a little nut to hold it on. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, here's the finished product with the new paracord installed. Went through the pole, came out where the crank disintegrated. Looks a little ghetto, but whatever. Comes down here and just wraps around this handle to store. Put a lawnmower handle on the bottom just in case you need to hold it. That's it. On to the next project.